In this video, we are going to learn session in ASP.NET Core MVC with a real-time practical example. I'll show you what is session, login example using session, common errors like 405 error, and session has not been configured error. Session is a server-side state management technique. HTTP is stateless, which means it does not remember users. Session helps us store user-specific data like username after login, shopping cart, user preferences. Session data is stored on server, unique for each user, available across multiple pages. Let's take a simple example. User enters username, clicks login. We store username in session. On other page, we display welcome username. I'm using ASP.NET Core MVC. We will create login page, dashboard page, home controller. This is my login page. User enters name and clicks login. This form sends data using post method. Here we store username in session. When user clicks login, post method is called. Then I'm creating a dashboard page. Session value is retrieved and displayed using dashboard in home controller. Now I am adding a logout in home controller, which will redirect it to the login page. If you see 405 error, it means browser is sending GET request, but controller has only POST request. Always create both GET and POST actions. Browser sends a GET request to load the page, and we don't see the 405 error. Then we need to configure our session and use the session. The order should be in the correct form. We will add the session in program.cs.